Hello, everyone. Welcome to Lecture 3 of the Negotiations Lecture Series. In the previous lecture, we answered the question which is the best approach to negotiation. We tackled four criteria, namely the transaction cost, satisfaction with outcome, effect on the relationship, and recurrence. Now let's answer the question which among the three approaches is less costly? Just as an interest-based approach can help uncover hidden problems, it can help the parties identify which issues are of greater concern to one than to the other. By trading off issues of lesser concern for those of greater concern, both parties can gain from the resolution of the dispute. Thus, reconciling interests tends to generate a higher level of mutual satisfaction with outcomes than determining rights or power. Now let's compare rights-based approach and power-based approach. Deferring to a fair standard usually takes less of a toll than giving in to a threat. Power contests typically cost more in resources consumed and opportunities lost. For instance, strikes cost more than arbitration. Violence costs more than litigation. Destroying the opposition may be the very object of a power contest, but it often creates new injuries, new disputes, along with anger, distrust, and a desire for revenge. So, when is determining rights or power necessary? In some instances, interest based negotiation cannot occur unless rights or power procedures are first employed to bring a recalcitrant party to the negotiating table. Sometimes, parties cannot reach agreement on the basis of interest because their perceptions of who is right or who is more powerful are so different that they cannot establish a range in which to negotiate. In this case, rights procedure in arbitration may clarify the parties' rights to allow them to negotiate a resolution. Also, adjudication authoritatively resolve questions of public importance. Thus, in a societal perspective, rights-based approach is more preferable. In summary, interest-based approach is still the less costly among the three approaches to negotiation. So that's it for Lecture 3. Thank you for listening.